If you want the watch to read you the time, just tap and hold the watch face with 2 fingers.
17:29.
You probably know that you can ping your phone by sliding up and pressing the phone icon. But did you know if you're struggling to find your phone and you press and hold a button, your phone will flash? If you want to view the battery percentage when in bedside mode, just tap on the battery icon and the percentage will be displayed. If you want to turn on bedside mode, go to Settings, General, and select bedside mode. If you want to take a screenshot from your watch, go to Settings, General, scroll to Screenshots, and make sure Enable Screenshots is turned on. To take a screenshot, just press the crown and the button on the side of your watch at the same time. If you want to get back to the last app you had open, just double press the digital crown. If you press a button on the side of your watch, you can view your most recent apps. To change this to your favourite apps, go to Settings, Dock, and select Favourites. If you want to rearrange your apps, press and hold on one of the apps, select Edit Apps, then you can touch the app you want to move and drag it around. You can also change the view to the list view. Again, just press and hold, go to List View, and you'll now have a list of all your apps instead of a honeycomb. If you are worried your watch won't make it through the day, you can put it into Power Reserve mode. Go to the Control Center, tap on the battery percentage, and slide Power Reserve. This will then display the time, but nothing else, but the battery will be saved. If you ever need to get back to the home screen fast, just put the palm of your hand on the watch face. If you know you're going to get your watch wet, you can put it into water mode. This disables the touchscreen so it doesn't trigger by mistake. You should also do this if your watch has accidentally been submerged in water. After you turn the mode off, the speakers emit a noise that is designed to expel water out of the watch, protecting the internals from any water damage. You have probably found that you can't access your notifications or control center whilst an app is open. However, if you press and hold at the top or bottom, and then slide up, they can be accessed. If you want to get to the top of a menu fast, just press the time at the top of a watch and it will scroll to the top for you. If you want to skip the countdown timer when starting a workout, just tap the screen and the workout will begin. If you want to mark a segment or lap time during a workout, just double tap the screen.
Segment 1. Marked.
If you want to quickly pause a workout, just press the crown on the button on the side.
Workout paused. Workout resumed.
The Apple Watch can also be used for finding lost items, such as AirTags. Just go to Find Items and select the item you want to find. If you want to clear all of your notifications, just scroll to the top of the notification list and select Clear All. When replying to a message, you can scroll to select a Smart Reply. But if you go to the app and select Messages, you can create a custom reply.